everything in this equation can be square rooted, then you can factor it with difference of two squares. And so I say, okay, what's the square root of x squared? It's x. What's the square root of 16? And it's plus or minus 4. So you would factor this as x plus 4 and x minus 4. And then I would keep going and say, now if I FOIL this back, that would be x squared. That would be 4x. This would be negative 4x. And this is negative 16. These two middle guys are always going to bite the dust. And you end up what you started with, is x squared minus 16. Let's say that's what I'm saying.